All right, y'all. So I've got a kind of fun one here. We're going back out for a hike. It's my first hike since the wintertime. It's March, and as you can see behind me, there's some snow left, but not too much. But we're going out today. We're going to test a new camera. So this camera company, Akaso, reached out and sent me this. And they want me to test it. We're going to switch over to that camera here, and all the footage from here on out is going to be that camera. Yeah, we're gonna go do a little hike in Golden here and just get back out on the trail. It's such a beautiful day. It's gorgeous, and there should be some nice views heading back towards Denver, and just all sorts of stuff like that. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna switch over to that other camera and get on up the trail. All right, so we are now on the Akaso Brave 7. I'm gonna test this out and see. Just planning to kind of just walk around the park. Honestly, we're not going to do too much hiking because the hike is a lot longer than we thought, and it's going to get dark. So yeah, we're gonna make our way up the trail here. But yeah, like I said, testing out the Akaso Brave 7 action camera that they were nice enough to send me. Thanks, y'all. And we're just gonna see how it is, and in the kind of the interest of the test, I'm not going to put any music on this video. I'm just going to kind of throw up footage with the raw audio just to kind of see what this thing can do. So yeah, here we go. You can see downtown Denver just like right there-ish. I don't know if you can see it. Opening it up, it's gonna be a really cool sunrise view, I think, if you ever come back for sunrise. I'm a fan. I like it. Yeah, I have no idea how the audio is gonna be on this camera, so we're gonna fingers crossed to be good. I have not used it before. I haven't done any testing. It's like first real go at it. Had it out of the box and turned it on just to make sure it worked, and to play with some of the settings to make sure I can kind of do it. Yeah, okay, so Steadicam died, but that'll give me a chance to kind of test out the stabilization on this thing and see. So I'm going to do all this handheld from here on out.
Okay, so this little thing really isn't like too bad. I was kind of skeptical at first just because of the price point. It's around $150, I think it retails for, something around there. You can get it a little less, a little more, depending on kind of what the price point is. Amazon seems to change their stuff, their pricing up a lot for sales and all that. So anyway, around $150 or so. I'll link up. I'll link to the product on Amazon, because that's where this thing is sold, is on Amazon. So I'll link to the Amazon product page so y'all can check that out and read more reviews and kind of get more information about it too. But so far, pretty impressed, especially comparing to a GoPro, which is going to run you $350, $400 or so for a newer GoPro. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely comparable in a lot of ways, honestly. The image quality is really good. You're going to have a lot of dark detail in your darks and in your highlights. Not as much detail, but these smaller cameras have trouble with that anyway. And so, yeah, The image quality is stellar, and it's got 4K capability that I haven't even had a chance to test out yet. I did forget to take the date stamp out of the corner, so all the footage for this video is going to have a little date stamp in the corner, but you can take that out. There's a way to take it out in the settings. So just make sure you do that before you go and shoot any video. But yeah, image quality I'm pretty impressed with. Handheld footage, the stabilization wasn't like stellar, but it's just as good as any phone camera you're gonna use. And you know, this one you can strap to you, and as someone who has dropped their phone in a river and lost it on the ski mountain trying to get video, I can tell you having a camera strapped to you and mounted on you is a lot less nerve-wracking than just carrying around a phone and trying to get video there. So definitely, you know, it can get nicer video, honestly, I think, than a phone camera, but stabilization is pretty comparable to like a phone camera. So far, I'm fairly impressed with this thing, especially for the price. I think it's a great option for if you know, you're kind of a consumer, amateur, and just kind of trying to elevate from like your average phone camera to something where you could get some cooler shots, where you've got it mounted to you, where it's you can get kind of that POV look a little bit more, and still have really good image quality and fairly nice stabilization. I think it's a really good option if you're looking to get into an action camera for more of a budget price than like a GoPro, and still have kind of some of those main kind of newer features that you wouldn't get with a used or kind of older model GoPro. Definitely a cool option. It's the Akaso Brave 7. Like I said, I'll link to the product on Amazon, which is where it's sold on Amazon, in the description below if you want to check it out or learn more about it. And then I'll also link to the company's website down there as well. So go check out the description for links and for more information. And yeah, definitely check out this camera if you're in the market for an action camera and on a budget price. It's a great option.